Hello guys and welcome back to another pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's start with the Nifty. What we have in front of us right here is the Nifty's chart. As we have been discussing from the last few days, we have seen this level acting as resistance. At first stage there, we have talked about that, and later we have identified this bearish engulfing pattern from there, and later we yesterday we were talking about this as a minor support area, but then that didn't give us a confidence with this little green candle. Even in our yesterday's video we said that this green candle is not enough uh, for the movement towards the upper side. That's because of this, where you have not seen a close right little above into this, but it was a reversal sign. It was a counter attack pattern, these two candles put together. But the concern there was yesterday, while it is giving some sort of a green candle, in Bank Nifty is not coping up. Okay, let's change the chart to the Bank Nifty. Yes, so here in the Bank Nifty it's a total different scenario. Here it was not taking the support. For that matter, it was not even a green candle here yesterday in the Bank Nifty. So that is why we have not taken this as a major sign as a reversal. We yesterday spoke about waiting and see how the price action is going to be for today. And based on yesterday's price action, we can see that Nifty gave us a close below this. So any small bullish implications that you had there are gone now. Now what we have here is all this is gone, and now what we have here is Nifty falling all the way towards the downside, and your major support area here in the Nifty is definitely this. Let's cover this big portion also. So this is the support area. We have seen that level acting as a support for a couple of times in the Nifty. See, once we have here, that's around March 20th, we have seen the Nifty started sharply from that point. It has raised from that point, and again when it's there at that level for the second time around April 19th or 20th, something like that. From there, again, it has seen a sharp momentum. But this time, unlike earlier, where we have seen a breakout from this previous swing low, we have not seen that here. And from there, we are coming now towards the downside. Now, one might think that this is going to be a double top pattern. Yes, it is close to the double top, but for a double to take that as a double top pattern, we need to see a break below this point. Okay, that didn't happen yet. So let's wait and see how it's going to happen. Yes, Nifty is bearish towards the downside. It is very close to the said support level from the past, and you can see that this is. See, this is a good swing reaction, swing low, which higher swing low, which is still in intact. If this breaks, the whole scenario of the market direction is going to change, and if that breaks, that's even worse towards the downside. But let's see what's there lying ahead. But the important levels for the Nifty are definitely this zone. This entire zone got to be acting as uh, support area. We're talking about this zone, this red color zone there. But for any reason, if it starts rising towards the upper side, all you have to do is wait for your intraday charts to create your fresh swing highs and lows for the today, and the fresh swing highs from the yesterday. You mark that and trade accordingly. But here, nothing alarming that we can notice here to the indicating the change of this momentum. No, that didn't happen even yesterday. So let's wait and see how Nifty is going to be. But before moving ahead to the Bank Nifty, let's check this Gift Nifty chart. This is a Gift Nifty chart, and we have see, this is the opening of the Gift Nifty, and looks like it's almost flattish, little gap up opening. So let's wait and see whether that's going to be the same case here in the Nifty, following the Bank Nifty. Sorry, following the Gift Nifty, and see yesterday. Even yesterday, we have seen a flat opening, and see here we have seen a little gap down opening, with but we are close to nothing alarming like a big gap up or gap down. No, that's not the case today as well. And see, yesterday also we have a good trending day in the Nifty, but let's come back to that little later after discussing about the Bank Nifty's chart. So we are done with discussing about the Nifty's chart on a daily time frame, and let's before going to the Bank Nifty charts, let's also check some because the trend is so fast coming towards the downside. Let's check. Let's remove those blue dotted lines which are in the settings events, which are session breaks for every day. Okay, now you can see that yes, it's looking like we have some opportunity here to draw this trend line. So now on a Nifty, let's see whether it's going to take support either from this location or from this trend line. And here you can see that on a 4 hour time frame of Nifty, we can see the price action has gone up here. See, first time, let me take this off and redraw this again. Yeah, so when you are there, okay, when you are here, there was a pullback there, and we have seen a breakout, and it has gone all the way there. But sometime between the March, okay, in the mid of March, we have seen a breakout from that level. See, we have seen a breakout from that level, but it has sharply pulled back, and even it has given us a close above this. But here the situation is different because you have two higher highs, but look at the price action here of the Nifty. It has come down, it has gone up, it did not see the breakout from that point, and now we are coming towards the downside. This is going to be interesting. Let's wait and watch what's going to happen. Either it has to take support on this green line or this zone, but you cannot take this as a breakout immediately after you see a close of any price action below this green line. That's because you already have a major zone there. So you need to wait to see the price action below that as well if it's a proper breakout. And even then, you cannot take this as a proper breakout because you see on the left you have another level, this level from where we have seen Nifty taking support back in the February this year. So there are too many levels towards the downside. All we have to do is wait and watch for the proper major reversal sign in both Nifty and Bank Nifty so that we can take the opportunity of that pattern. Right now, that's the story about the Nifty. So let's remove all these strikes and change our time frame to the daily time frame so that we can jump to our Bank Nifty chart. Yes. So here in the Bank Nifty also, it's the same situation. And this is why these candlestick patterns, especially if they are coming at an all-time high, are very important. We have discussed about these two candles from April 29 and 30. We have discussed about this on April 30th, saying that this is a candlestick this is a very strong candlestick pattern reversal sign. Okay, these two candles put together, that's a counter attack pattern. Look the impact of that counter attack pattern, and we have been discussing if the market is coming down, this there is a chance for this level where that can act as a minus support area for the Bank Nifty, but that didn't happen. Yesterday we have seen a green, day before yesterday's price action, we have got a green candle here in Nifty, but here it's opposite. It's the red candle, and we have seen a solid break towards the downside from that level. So the next level for the Bank Nifty, the next important level for the Bank Nifty got to with this because we can visually see that from there we have gone there. Bank Nifty, when it is there around 46,570 mark, it has gone all the way high. So now we have to wait and watch whether that's going to act as a strong support area, or if it's taking a mid support from anywhere there, then it's a whole different story. You see, there is some correction pending. Look at the number of red candles: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven red candles. 7 working days we have seen a continuous red candles. So when was the last time we have seen that? See, here you have one, two, three, four, five. Okay, so here you have one, two, three, four, five. And where do we have next series of red candles? See, here you have one, two, three, four, five, six. So it's somewhere in the November, but this price action is looking little okay because you have seen gap up, gap down opening, and a flat opening, and a gap up opening. But here we are seeing continuous close towards the downside. So let's wait and watch for a proper correction. If it correct, there is a chance for it to correct strongly. So either it's going to take correction here at this support level, or if it is rising towards the higher level, that's something we have to wait and watch. But now towards the downside, all we can rely on this is this zone as a support level. So nothing alarming in the Bank Nifty as well towards the upper side. Nothing is telling us strongly that this moment is over. Okay, no candlestick pattern of that sort is identified till today, and that's the scenario of the Bank Nifty. And let's quickly check whether we have something to catch from our 4 hours chart in the Bank Nifty. So looks like we have something here. So starting from that point, if I draw a line like this, you can see that this is a valid trend line because you have a good 3 points rejecting, touching this trend line. So now, before it comes to this area, now it has to deal with this line as well. This is a rising trend line which is going to act as a support. There's a chance, so we have to wait and watch on a 4 hour chart as well, based on that. If it changes, it's going to give us an early clue for the change of momentum. But remember, Bank Nifty and Nifty both has to go together. They cannot go vice versa. So you have to, both has to give a certain amount of confirmation. So it's ideal to wait for that sort of confirmation. So um, that's about the Bank Nifty and Nifty on a daily and 4 hour time frame. And if you want, we can quickly see yesterday's price action in the Bank Nifty. So look at this. Yesterday we have started there. We have seen a rise, but then from there was some sideways action after some downside momentum. Here there is some correction towards the sideways, but then again from there we have seen a drop. And next time when you are there at the previous swing highs, from there you have seen a strong uh, momentum towards the downside, but don't take a single candle close a, uh, as a breakout. You need to see a double candle close, a proper confirmation candle with a lower close, lower high. But that's not the case here. Here you have seen a bullish engulfing pattern, and that could have given us a good chance towards the upper side. That's till this level exactly. Okay, this could have worked yesterday best in anyone's favor because it has got all important three ingredients. That's your support area. First thing is, this is your support area. You have seen a breakout towards the downside, but after that you haven't seen a proper confirmation candle. And here at this candle, 12:55 p.m. and 1 p.m. candle, both put together, you have seen a good bullish engulfing pattern right there. Now with this as a stop loss and your price action, previous swing high is that. Okay, you have a good risk versus reward ratio if you're starting from there. Now it has never come to your stop loss, not even close, but it has gone all the way till here, almost still here, but it didn't touch. But that's okay, it's almost near your target. This could have worked. And that's how Bank Nifty stat is. Overall, it's looking definitely bearish yesterday. So it's a question today whether we are going to see a momentum after this big downfall in Nifty, or we're going, sorry, Bank Nifty, or we're going to see a sideways action from here. Because if you see any gap up opening and if you are in this zone, then there is going to be a lot of confusion in the momentum. So you need to be careful about that. And now coming back to the Nifty chart, and if you want to see the price action of Nifty yesterday, here we have a good downside momentum starting from there. Again, it's the same situation. You have seen a small rise there, but you have seen a breakout towards the downside with a small pullback towards the downside again. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty were pretty bearish yesterday. So you need to be a little careful today, because if you see any gap of opening, there can be some sideways action. So that's it, guys. That's it for today, and see you in our next analysis video. Until then, happy trading. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thank you.